Hey, happy Sunday. It's the 15th. So, happy Sunday, October 15th. I wasn't going to do a darn thing today because I do have stuff that I need to get done in the house, like get ready for the work week, laundry. I don't know. There's all sorts of things I can always do in the house. And today is actually 76 degrees, sunny, very breezy, but I'm tired. My son had a basketball tournament yesterday and, kind of off of our normal Saturday schedule, so I'm kind of tired. And I thought, okay, instead of just sitting home doing stuff that I should be doing, let's go head out to our favorite garden center and just enjoy what's out there. I have nothing in mind that I would like to buy or need to buy. Some things that I might buy when I'm out there are some seeds, as I'd like to try their seeds that they have to offer. I'm going to look at their broken ceramic pots because if you remember, I got a really good deal on one of my pots that it was per pound, and I'm trying to think if it was 50 cents per pound for the ceramic pots. So we'll see if I can piece anything together, or if there's something that, like I said, on the one back side there might have been something busted but you wouldn't notice it from a different side. Some annuals. I wouldn't mind buying some maybe lettuces or some type of vegetable that's already grown a little bit that I can replace my pumpkin plant with, because I'm bummed out about my pumpkin plant. I really thought I was going to get pumpkins. I didn't. I started this in July by seed, and it was gorgeous. I had 2 pumpkin plants that were beautiful, going all over out of the beds, and lots of flowers, but they were male flowers, no female flowers. And guys, it's the middle of October. I'm not going to get any pumpkins at this point, and there's no more flowers in sight. So I'm going to have to figure something out next year. I tried though. It was a beautiful plant. It was beautiful and green and yellow flowers and no pumpkins. But so let's go shopping and just enjoy the beautiful view of this garden center because it's gorgeous. Well, we're here. I actually enjoy just riding in the car listening to music, but I love music if you don't know, by the way. I love music. But let's go ahead and go see what we find. There's quite a few cars here, so everybody probably has the same thing in mind. So let's go. The one thing I want to tell you with this video is I do apologize. You might have moments where you can hear me better than other times. I should have wore my AirPods or my little headphone things. So I do apologize that it might be hard to hear at times. But hey, I think I'm actually going to buy some of this. Okay, so I passed on the soil because number one, the bag was so flippin' heavy. No. Comes a point where if it's that heavy, I'm not carrying it. And number 2, I don't know. I wasn't really sure about the ingredients. I like the worm casting part, but yeah. So let's go look at the pots. So here's the pots that I'm talking about. They're all kind of broken. And then it says pottery shard, 50 cents per pound. Let's see if I can find anything. I don't know. Sometimes you can put stuff together. Some of them are really bad. Okay, I did find one that is in this color here, and I'm actually going to try to hot glue together. And then they had these pots back here that they had for other flowers. I don't see price tag, but I'm going to see how much. They've got to be for sale. They're all just kind of sitting back here. here, so we'll see. They're for sale. I absolutely love this grass. What is this? Oh, I really like these. So pretty. And I'm actually gonna buy these zucchini. I'm gonna get 2 of them. So what did I not show you so far? Okay, I did get a cilantro as well. I got 2. Oh, actually I got 3. They were together. 3 cabbages and 2 zucchinis. I swear you come to this place and it's just, it's eye overload. Like there's just flowers, plants, everything everywhere. I want to buy it all. I was actually looking for a certain plant. I couldn't remember what it was. And now I found it. Right here. And this is what it is. So we'll get 2 of these. Okay, so I want to show you this one because this is really pretty, and I don't know nothing about this, but look at this. So here it's a vine. Look at the gorgeous flowers on it. And I couldn't read the tag real well. Kind of faded, so I did my plant identifier. And so it is a coral vine. And when I looked it up on my plant identifier app, it did say it is a perennial. I might get this because I was not planning on getting anything, but this is just unique and beautiful. And then you know me with clearance and sales. Look at this big old pot full of plants for $10. That to reduce aphids by my milkweed. That'll be perfect. We're definitely gonna get one of these powerful insect repellent. Look at the beautiful flowers. All right, we're all done, and I spent a total of $97, which I'm pretty impressed with considering everything I got. It's still 69 degrees, but for whatever reason I'm hot in this sweatshirt. Let me show you the seeds that I got as well, and that broken pot, just so you know, $1.50. Wait till we put it together. $1.50 for a ceramic pot. So I bought some bachelor's button, excuse me, blue boy. Would you say this is pronounced Orlea, white lace? Thought this was kind of a unique looking grass, a blue grama. Not sure if I'm saying this right. And then lastly, I thought I would just try some sweet bell blend peppers. I think I'm gonna run to Home Depot. I like Lowe's over Home Depot. Lowe's. I'm gonna run to Lowe's quick. I'm gonna buy some soil there. I'm sure this soil probably is really good. But like I said, it was so heavy. I don't feel like hurting my back. That would be a bad week. It was really heavy, but it looked like it was good stuff. But I'm just gonna stick to my good old Miracle Grow or whatever I get from Lowe's that, has that little bit of fertilizer or whatever in it. And if they have marigolds, they had marigolds here, but they were like the taller ones, and I was hoping for some smaller ones. So I think I'm gonna get some marigolds. And reason being, yes, I like them as a flower, but it's a good little pest repellent too. And I'm excited with the 2 or 3 little herb plants that I got that said they're good repellents. So that is awesome. I'm gonna put those over by my cabbage and my zucchini plants, and they look pretty too. I was hoping for some more cat mint. Remember, I have that cat mint at home. It was gone. I guess everybody saw how pretty it was in their little vase, or not vase, their pot over here. They have a nice big pot. and they had different herbs coming out of it, and the one was the catmint, and it's got these little teeny tiny little purple flowers. They didn't have any more. So, but it's good day shopping. So let's go to Lowe's. I'm at Lowe's, and as I'm driving, I'm like, tomato trellis. I really probably should get a little tomato trellis because my cherry tomato plant is all over the place. So let's go. So you all know I love to find deals and sales, right? So I needed just a little bit of soil as I want to start some seeds, and I wanted some fresh soil for that back bed where the pumpkin is. I want to add my new stuff, and then just a couple other things. Look it. They had bags of soil that must have busted open, and I'm sure lost some soil, but 50% off. Smiling. Alrighty, so we're done at Lowe's, and I bought some flowers too. Let me show you what these are. So we got 3 of these. I thought these were so pretty. And then we got a nice big pot for my mandevilla plant. Let me show you what else I have. Some beautiful red petunias, and then the polka dot plant. So I come home and I load everything, and it's been really windy here today. My poor pelican fell, so we'll have to pick him back up. I'll make room for him on the shelf later. And then my stock tank pond. What in the world? So got a t-shirt on, and we're gonna gotta get it fixed. Yikes. But anyway, I'm gonna get my stock tank pond. I can't talk. I'm gonna get my stock tank pond plants fixed, and I'm gonna go ahead and start unloading all this stuff from my car, my pots, my plants, my soil, and I'm gonna go ahead and get everything planted, and then I will have a video sometime this week, and I'll show you how everything looks. So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful week.